Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove a repost on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to remove a repost on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to remove a repost on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to remove a repost on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing a repost on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will remove a repost on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. And now in this screen I have reposted few threads. So first click on three dots of that repost and then click on remove, and your repost has been removed from Threads. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove a repost on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.